Hi, my name is Sean Good. I'm an attorney with the Good Law Group. In this video, we're going to talk about back pay and how much you may be eligible to receive. So the first thing to know when it comes to back pay is that for Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, there is a 5 full month waiting period. What that means is you are not eligible for any back pay the first 5 full months. So hypothetically, if you become disabled on January 2nd, they're not going to count January as a full month because it starts on the 2nd. So it's going to be February, March, April, May, June would be the first full 5 months. Then you're eligible for back pay. Now, with SSI or supplemental security income, back pay starts a month after the application. So there is no 5-month wait period. If you're eligible for SSI and SSDI, you can get the SSI the first 5 months where you're not eligible for that SSDI payments. So some other factors to consider are, of course, every year SSI changes. So the amount of the back pay you're eligible for goes up as they increase the amount of SSI benefits based on the cost of living adjustment, which is tied to inflation. For SSDI, the amount of money that you're eligible for is based on the amount of tax you paid during your lifetime, or like how much your salary was basically and how much you paid towards the FICA tax. One key thing to point out when it comes to SSDI and back pay is that if you stop working like 5 years ago, you're still eligible to apply for SSDI, but you can't go back and get 5 years of back pay. Or for example, if you applied today but stopped working 5 years ago, the most you're going to get in back pay from the day you applied with a remote 5-year onset date in the past is about 12 months. There's a lot of really technical things to do with back pay. If we can help you unwind those things or your Social Security case, please feel free to give us a call at 800-419-7606.